Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Curl Love Moisture Milk as a moisturizer on both sides. This is my hair freshly washed out of the shower. I used the Camille Rose Ginger Cleanse Rinse, Uncle Funky's Daughter on the right side, and Camille Rose on the left side. So I'll be using this on both sides of my hair. The Curl Love Moisture Milk. My hair is still wet from the shower. If you haven't already, go and watch the Kinky Curling Custard versus the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Okay, so we're gonna start with Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic in the back here. Put it to my hair to make sure it was very wet. Okay, so y'all see that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side and come back. And between the two, let's see, I like the way they both apply similar, but I think I prefer the feel of the Curly Magic. Curly Magic goes on a little bit more slippery, I guess. This is it. I'm gonna finish off camera and come back. Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic side. This is the Camille Rose Curl Maker side. Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic on the right. This is the end of the first day. And Camille Rose on the left. This is day 2 hair, and I have just came back from the gym. In this clip here, I am showing you the Uncle Funky's Daughter side, and now I'm going to the Camille Rose side. And I must say I am impressed with the Camille Rose this time around, because I normally don't get more than 2 days hair without my hair just turning into a big puff ball, a big frizzy mess. So I was actually pretty impressed with it this time. I don't know if it was the mixture of the water combined with applying more product, but it was something. Okay, so this is day 3 hair. I did my hair on Saturday. Today is Monday, the end of the night. This is the Camille Rose side. Now, I'm surprised with this Camille Rose side because normally I don't get that get past like 2-day hair with it. But I don't know. I think it's because I applied more product. I applied like a really lot to the front, especially. My Uncle Funky's Daughter side, it's kind of messy here because I've been sleeping on this side mostly, and all I've been doing at night is pulling it back into a ponytail. So this is how it looks in the back. Camille Rose, as you can see here, is more frizzier. Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, it really is like magic. And throughout this process, the Curly Magic Uncle Funky's Daughter side has been feeling more moisturized, more soft than the Camille Rose side. On to day 4 hair. I am showing you the Camille Rose side first. The curls in the back always just be popping. I'm like, why can't the curls in the back be all over? Why they can't be in the front and the side and the middle? Like, come on. The back of the curls just be popping. They just be like on a whole nother texture level. Okay, this is day 4 hair, and I don't know if you can see, but I have a lot of residue on the Camille Rose side throughout my hair strands. Hopefully it's in frame, but I have a lot of residue on the Camille Rose side. I don't know, I guess I'll just let y'all decide which side y'all think won. But if you ask me, I would say Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. which this does better. I don't know what happened with this time, but normally I can get, I could go longer with the Curly Magic, but I'll be washing my hair tomorrow. Cause look, you can see this side here, the Camille rolls is like very frizzed out here. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. If you didn't like it, just leave. Bye. Well, we'll see you in the next one. Lord say the same, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.